Hey guys, welcome to my little video called Chasing Waterfalls. So the best time to go and view these waterfalls is after rain, sitting back at home bored, so I thought it's a perfect opportunity to go and see what nature has on offer. Hey guys, we're here at Buderim Park. We're going down to check Buderim Falls, often known as Serenity Falls as well. So we're going to make the short 300 metre walk down towards the falls and go and check it out. One of the first waterfalls you'll come to is Cedar Creek, and it's a pretty small fall, but it also looks pretty amazing after the rains we've had. And here at the lookout at the falls, so the falls are a height of 80 metres, but as you can see, plenty of water coming over at the moment. So guys, we made it back to the top of Kondalilla Falls, and this is the swimming hole. Like, without the water pouring over, it's generally a nice crystal clear, and they've got a bluey tinge to the water, but with the amount of water coming into it at the moment, it's a little bit murky, but that'll settle down once the flow rate slows down a little bit.